like to share a quick word of encouragement and speaking to all human beings here. There is a way that if you live your daily life and you make decisions with wisdom, you're always safe. And there's nothing that can go wrong because you're permanently managing everything that's happening with wisdom, okay? The beginning of wisdom is a fear of God. Good understanding to all the practitioners. His praise endures forever, right? So you're managing things with wisdom. Now what happens is that, so first of all, right, it's actually, it's an important subject. It's a very, very important area of scientific research because, look, you've got something going on where the world that we live in today has to be brought into a state of uniformity, peace, and justice in accordance with God's will, all right? And as I speak right now, I'm going through the day happily, wisely, and with divine protection, okay? Because I know that and how and what is going on, what good things can happen, right? And also, in addition to that, like the things that are preferable, right, in your personal life, business life, right, in your life situation, those are the things that have to happen, the things that are good, okay? So how do you make it good? It's very easy. Simply exercise a little bit of prudence, wisdom, right, intelligent, somewhat self-disciplined, self-management during the day, every day a little bit. And what happens is that, for example, right, we can manage, it's like we can actually manage what's happening. So first of all, we can have an overview of what's happening in life and in the universe and at all. And this is based on knowing, I'm talking about this again. Should I talk about this again, I guess? Okay. Yeah, it's for the good. That, you know, you're in specific cycles of life right now. Every one of us is in specific life cycles. I think I've said this before. And if you pay attention to the life cycles that you're in, and you live in harmony with them, you live a blessed and a happy and a prosperous life, okay? And that goes on a long, long, long ways, right? So just have to keep it that way. All right, moving forward here. Now, here's the thing, okay? It doesn't matter how you feel. It doesn't matter, like, if you worry or not, and you don't have to if you have wisdom. You're safe, you're good to go. Basically speaking, as long as you stay focused on and have wisdom be your guide, right? Like all during the day, for example, during the light hours, during the dark hours, all the time, we're guided by the Creator, and wisdom is like our navigation and orientational primary equipment, right? And so as we go through the day, right? As I go through the day, I know exactly what, so out of all the options that there are, right? You've got massive options in life. You know, we're talking about a ton of things, right? A ton of things going on, right? And essentially speaking, if you pay attention to the cycles of life that you're in and the ones that are coming, then you operate wisely right here and right now in accordance with the life cycles that you're in right here and right now. Guess what happens? Miracles happen. And they happen on a regular basis. Okay. This is actually true. You also enjoy permanent safety, security, and prosperity no matter what, quote unquote, no matter what. because of having a perpetuous and sort of a good trajectory that you're on, that you're operating on. You're moving forward according to a pattern that has been generally prepared from aforetime, right, by the Creator, right, and you're moving forward steadily, safely, and gradually and perfectly. Pardon me.